Most people think all crypto wallets work the same, but you won't believe how different your experience can be depending on the app you choose. The surprising truth about BRD Wallet is that simplicity is both its biggest strength and its biggest weakness. BRD is a mobile crypto wallet that allows users to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. It is a non-custodial wallet, meaning you control your private keys, not the company. Setting up BRD is easy. You download the app, create a wallet, and receive a recovery phrase. This phrase is critical. If you lose it, your funds are gone forever. There is no password recovery or customer support that can restore access. The interface is very beginner-friendly. You can buy crypto using a bank card, track prices, and send funds with simple buttons. There are no confusing technical steps, which makes it appealing for first-time users. Most people get this wrong by thinking non-custodial means safer in every case. While BRD gives you full control, it also gives you full responsibility. If your phone is lost and you didn't back up your recovery phrase, your crypto is permanently lost. BRD supports fewer coins than large wallets or exchanges. It focuses mainly on major assets, not thousands of tokens. This is good for beginners, but limiting for advanced users. One important downside is that BRD does not offer desktop access or browser extensions. Everything is mobile only. There is also no built-in staking or advanced trading tools. In conclusion, BRD Wallet is best for users who want a simple, secure place to hold major cryptocurrencies without dealing with complex features. It's great for beginners, but not ideal for power users. Subscribe for more honest crypto tool reviews before you invest.